Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President Jong Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party uba Ernest Mauri habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor haga arpu artrik banai rempang arajara arpulai office trek kam Jong Kaseng ula ong bakani kandai kasin ke badingkong hapo gejela ba menteri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi penlong ye ke road show hapo gejela ke ban sedang ha por khat wei beji minstep ha ke ban sedang na jalu para hadu banda poi State Central Library Shillong. Shisho ba Ernest ulaong ba andala poi State Central Library nakaliang Jong Modi penlong ka jingbo senteo ha umat sa jingken mau Jong ukhlawai Jong kari utirot sing penbuat pat sa ka Ïaid Kjat shadow police bazar neka benta ka jingyalang pat ba Jong ka BJP ka bala penkre ha ka ba Modi ajing keren ha ka jingyalang ulaong ru baka daw bala bu ya ka por khat wei baje hado shibaje no phais ngi kalong bakanam kta ne penthot ya ka lait kawan Jong ki nong tre balait tre ki balait sha sumar badru ki khna school hapo ka Nongbah hagani ka sngi nakaliang Jong ba Ernest ula kintu ki pat ba ban wan ya shim benta hagani ka rally ka bala penlong da ka seng BJP
kani kasin ka baningkong yangi hapo megalia u prime minister uwan banle ya road show kani ka road show kan stang ha ka por khat wei baje thik kan stang nang tai na po na jalu para point ter hadu ban po ya po State Central Library the point po State Central Library u prime minister unleit ban bu sentiu ya umot kla ka wat kari jongi u tirot sing siem ban nang tu pat dala dep ban bu sentiu un sami na po State Central Library un sayai sha polis bajar ha polis bajar kandon ke cing penkre ha ka ba un address ya ke meeting pada dia nang tapat un salai haino sha po sha opar Shillong un wan na po na opar Shillong daka helikopter ka poin ka ba arpat hang ni ka rong ngilabo ya ka por khat wei hadu si baje krang bakan nom kta ya ka leit kawan Jong ki balik terus ki office prepare bat ki balik ki hospital khamtam ni ki kena school namar ba ka school kan sang sipo baje hadu si baje stem kamut ni kwa ba kane ka rally ka bawan prime minister na ka benta ban Ïalap ya kani Ilekshon ke ban salong hakar punyu trik kan nom penthut yanu na ta daw ngilabu e kapor khatwei hadu sibaje stem unbi no nangin po Nongbah Shillong un selain pat syatura kandon ka public rally po tura pat kabalai ni kerpat ye kipai ba kibadon hapo sor Shillong bat kibana janru bakin yawan ban yishim benta man snap ya kajingkren Jong prime minister kumba pitip prime minister Narendra Modi udai prime minister ubapau ha bat udai ru president Jong ka G20 try kan deka kabuksian ki pai ba lat ki wan mat snap ya kan deka roadshow bat kum juru ka jingkren ke jumu khendiat kun soi hap deng ju ki pai ba
London one
because that day that there is a school day he said that there's an examination also there he didn't want to disturb the students particularly the students community he said by the time he came to Shillong all the students will be in the classroom. The moment he left the Shillong, by that time the school also will be getting over. So that's shown the positive thoughts, the thought process of our principal who thought always for the convenience of the public and the people.
But we always see that when the VVIP arrive in the state, a maximum of 1 hour the traffic has been halted, but why is it different now, sir?
No, we have taken care. We have already discussed with the district administration that they have to relax, not to seal all the road. Only particular road, then it will be sealed for some time. We will request them. Now also we are having a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner, with the SP and all the district administration. So we don't want that there will be such thing will get occurs for the
cause inconvenience to the public.
But the Upper Shillong road is very congested.
Po PB, namar kade kasanta. Na po konsumsi jong ni bahek, rukiwan po PB, na 17 not ba kartang no kawan po PB, na kondusi kebangang kontes 18 West ru kajan nomor po PB na po 19 South Shillong ru kajan nomor 1 po PB nang ta sakawai ru na po 16 East ru kawan ban join po PB na po nong tumai konferensi ru kali kajaka pedeng.
Yes, correct. Kalau center ya bro.
Center ya bro. But kalong ru kamdai ru ka government property. Pitip for election menta ngimlah ban organize ya kanu ka program na rally po ka government property. So kadai ka public property. Kaba handle kamari po ka municipal kadai corporation. That is the mean.
Tabang itip bat baka PB kadai jaka kaba kemba bat atau dak jing perlong ya kani kanam kata try kalit kawan jungki beliau pa.
Si kanta kanum kata. It won't take long. Prime Minister would address just for 20 minutes. Kamdai ka whole day program.
Dan pandang saya kata kajing orang kajing jong pi ke program jong Prime Minister mo. Dan kalau hak kendong ru kendong kami abe. Dan kalau hak peteng soru kalau kami abe. Demar kadi ke program jong PM baru kit kuah banwan benpet bensengap banwan yang kendu taban ban benpet du yo honorable Prime Minister tu. Jika tak ada melahi benkiar. Dekat ke wala administration latih ladon ki polis ke SP traffic ladon bagi kita kan bala ban control ya ke traffic congestion kadang ba kenung cost dan ke inconvenient ya ki ba
Tengah tai. Thank you.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ya Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme onpen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman laki long yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.